Photography, wildlife, birds of prey flying at high speed. We're just here to have some fun, and this is the way to do it. So we're here at Eagle Encounters in Spear, just outside Cape Town, and it's a place full of the most beautiful birds of prey you could ever imagine. So this is Maline's new baby.
It's a 300 fixed and a Canon 5D Mark II, and it's an amazing camera.
So this is a barn owl. He was found on a taxi, so on a dashboard, cable tied to the front of it, getting fed chips. Birds are something that are very close to my heart, so to see hand-reared chicks and birds in trouble and birds getting rescued is amazing. We're here to film birds of prey. Of an owl on the head. Amazing.
Hi, my name is Rico, so welcome to Eagle Encounters. We are a bird rehab. We give them a second chance at life. We feed them, we love them, we hug them, we kiss them. I think basically every single bird over here has his or her own entire story.
What do you reckon, Danny? The bird's too fast, huh?
Unbelievable.
That was incredible, seeing those birds do their natural behaviors, running on the ground for the pale-charting goshawk and swooping down for the Lana falcon, and watching the jackal buzzard running on the ground, catching that rat-shaped object. It's incredible creatures that are looked after really well here, and it's so nice to spend some time just blowing some megapixels, having fun with your cameras, and appreciating and learning about these birds, and taking photographs and sharing with the world. So thanks so much for watching this, a little outing to this amazing Raptor Center. If you'd like that, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.